Well, it's time to mount up on old Princess Leia and R2-D2 and get out and finish that field so we can disc it with the SMTA. Well, you can see I've given it enough time to, at least the surface to dry. Yeah, you can see here, I mean, but I think when this turns here, that's a pretty good furrow there. It's about 6-7 inches. I'm going to turn this over here. This is about 2 acres left. It's a big, long, thin strip. Probably, I don't know, 250 yards long. But, yeah, I want to finish this up. And then I think that over there is ready to start discing. Get the Super MTA out. I've only got to use that thing once so far in the field this year. Come on now. We might even take a look at the mystery crop. Won't be a mystery if we look at it. And it's these boots right here, these cow-cows. They're kind of a mid, I don't know, I guess I'd call them a calf-high boot. Maybe just a little bit above your calf, but not a real high boot. Waterproof. Got a tab in the back here, so I know a lot of these boots, you go to take them off, you can get one off, but then getting the other one off. But this one here, it's got that tab. You just step on it, step out. And yeah, that's what I'm going to wear today, just because in case I have to get off the tractor in the mud, in the blood, in the beer, I'm going to be covered. And I did get that new ground cable on there right out of Brelman. And that's a good one. That'll last me. I still don't have the top cover of this on yet. I just want to make sure that nothing goofy is going to happen. Tell you what was happening with this. So the top of that positive end right there was touching the... it was causing some 4th of July fireworks right there. The battery had slid back and it was touching into this, so I moved it. And I think, and then stuck a little wedge right here. Little board I had down there so it can't wiggle back and forth, so should be good now. Let's see how she fires up today. Out of gear, which means we're coasting. No choke. Oh yeah. Tractor's usually money at startup. mystery crop real quick. See how the spray's working out. Well, there you go. One little spot there I missed, probably 5 feet by 3 by 5 feet by 3 feet. The rest of it looks great. The rows aren't even. I kind of staggered them to see where I like them, but yeah, it's definitely corn. The whole advent behind this is to cultivate it. I'm really looking forward to doing that. Planted this 2 weeks ago. It's already about a foot high. What kind of ear I get, I don't know. I can tell you it's 85-day corn. So by the end of September, this is going to be 6 foot tall and probably at least have a good ear on it. What kind of meat it'll have on that ear, I don't know. There you go. The mystery's over. All I want to do is get out here and use the cub. Oh yeah, it's looking good. The plants are all even sized. You know, they're V1, 2, 3, probably V4. And they're all not knee high, but shin high, a lot of them. Yeah, there you go. This stuff here, I can't remember what you call it, but it's all but dead. Nasty stuff. Yeah, I'd say, I don't know, 8-9 inches tall, right in that range. And there you go. Guy told me, he says, you won't be planting corn, it's too late. I says, oh, you don't know me, dude. Do what I want. So yeah, there you go. Now, I've got it quadruple road, then skipped, quadruple road, and then skipped, but I'll be able to set the cultivators up, just go right down these rows. And I think that's going to be pretty BA myself. This one here I triple rowed, skip. This is probably 30-inch spacing right in here, and then double rowed, triple rowed, double rowed. Missed some spots here, and I don't know if it just didn't come up or what, but yeah, it's thick as thieves in here with corn, and it's gonna be interesting. Just a little experiment. I planted this July 1st, so the mystery is definitely over. We got corn in the loom. Now I remember coming across this burdock and spraying it, thinking, huh, let me slow down a little bit, give you an extra dose, and I did. But see, there's Japanese beetles under eating it. Eat away, boys and girls, or whatever you are. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Get that cub in action. And there's so many plants, I mean, good grief. If I did kill a couple, it wouldn't even matter. Really wouldn't. Came up nice though. Fairly even emergence. Some bald spots in certain areas, and I didn't even check to see what the emergence rate is. Germination rate is. I didn't even look. I didn't carry it in the ground. But yeah, all this stuff's dying. That's good. Oh, woodchuck hole washed in. Yep, boots held up real nice, comfortable to wear. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested.